Welcome in this video, and in this one I'm going to explain to you what are hashtags and how exactly to use them and to use them correctly. So let's go to the definition first. It says a word or phrase precede means that goes before, by a hash sign. Hash is this little thing, hash sign, used on social media websites and applications, especially Twitter, to identify messages on a specific topic. And let me show you an example of this so that you have also something to look at. A word or phrase preceded by hash sign. This is the hash sign that precedes the word, and let's say the word is motivation. So word or phrase preceded by a hash sign, used on social media websites like Instagram and applications, especially on Twitter, to identify messages on a specific topic. What are the messages here? It's funny. Okay, let's say, okay, this is a message. Okay, or let's say this is a message. Warriors never quit, they fight till their last breath. So with this hashtag motivation that we put, we identified a specific message here, or this message on a specific topic. Topic means it's a subject, so this is a specific subject, the subject of motivation. So yes, okay, and what you want to do when you post something, you want to use hashtags, but you want to use specific hashtags, not just every hashtag. So let's say we want to go to love. As you can see here, hashtag love, this hashtag has 1.4 billion posts. So if you post something like a photo or a video and you put hashtag love, your post is going to go to between these many posts. So it will be very difficult for another person to find your post with this hashtag. Yes. So the basic idea, if you can see here, this hashtag has many posts, as you can see here, 1.4 billion, and the posts that go to the top have many likes and comments. So in the beginning, it's not recommended that you put hashtags with so many posts inside this category, because your post, if you don't have, let's say, 700 likes and 12 comments, it's not gonna be on the top. It's gonna go to the bottom, and maybe to the bottom of this